Roblox error code 600, what it means and how to fix it. Today I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox error code 600. So first, when you're in your Roblox and you want to go to the three dots which will be in the top right, here you will have settings. You need to click on settings and then you will get the search bar. Under the search bar, you need to search for security, or you can also go with privacy and security, which will be on the left side, and then scroll down until you find the use secure DNS option, or you can search for secure DNS and then you will have it under your security section right here. Just scroll down and then you will have use secure DNS right here. You need to go and turn this on. But if that doesn't work, then you need to go back and then press Windows and R keys together, and then you will get this kind of interface. Now here you need to type in percentage local app data and then percentage and hit the enter. Now you want to scroll down until you find temp folder. Once you find the temp folder, here you go. You want to open the temp folder and you want to scroll down again until you find the Roblox option. Once you find the Roblox folder, you need to right click on it and then you need to just go ahead and delete it. Once you deleted it, it should work. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.